we will be unboxing 2 Pikmi Pop toys. They look like the same, but doubles are good. They're both from McDonald's, and I can't wait to see what's inside them. They were from a Happy Meal, each one. So, let's open. Maybe it could be they could have the same thing inside. But we're just going to see. First, we'll open this Pikmi Pop toy. You can see, after I open up the bag, you're going to see that it is Pikmi Pops. That it's real. See? Pikmi Pops. And then we have a little grape keychain. And then there's a little capsule which you can open up. And then it will have 2 blind bags. Let's open this one first. And we got a bunny. They are scented. They smell like grapes. They are really cute. You can toss them a little bit, and then you can snap them onto your grape keychain to hang on your backpack. But I think you should just play with it at home because I'm not that sure it's so steady. You can put it back in the capsule. Let's see what's the sticker surprise. And we have these. So it looks like we got a little bear sticker with a lion, and it has a candy balloon. They're Pikmi Pops, and that's a sticker, that's a sticker, and that's all one sticker. So that was really cute. I was hoping to get the bunny because it was just Easter, and bunnies are cute. Let's open the second one. It could be doubles, but I like to have doubles because then you can have a lot of stock for Barbie stores. Let's take this keychain out. It's just the same as the other one, but let's see if it's the same toy. Remember, doubles are good in some ways. What? We got 2? There's 2 different ones. So that's not a double. I'm so happy. Wow, so this one is blue and pink. Also a light blue. And maybe the smell is different. It smells like grapes too. And then this one is pink, blue, yellow, purple, and green. This one's more colorful, but I also like this one too. So now, the bunny has a bunny friend that is different. Let's see the sticker. Maybe it's different too. Wow, it is different. This one is pink and this one is silver. On the camera, it's like a bright orange red color, but it's a hot pink in real life. So, this is what it came with. Clean up your trash. Just put them in your trash can. Just be careful not to throw away the stickers. So we have the 2 Easter bunnies, or you can just call them regular bunnies. And then here's the capsule. The capsules, there's 2 capsules and that I got. And then there are stickers. And then they have little keychains. And then I opened them up with some scissors. So I'm so glad that I thought we were just going to get 2 of the same one. But we got 2 of the same one, but different patterns. That is nice. So thank you for being here at this video. I know it's short. Before you go, there is the emoji up at the corner. It's going to be part 1 of the squishy things. And I can't wait to see that, to let you guys see that video. So, you can see here what we got. The scissors, nope. We didn't get that. Those are just mine. So, bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, share this video. Bye.